This video is provided for instructors on how to use the Employee Self-Service Faculty Attendance Tracking solution for taking classroom attendance. In this video, I will cover the following features of faculty attendance tracking: roster of students and general information, taking roll, reporting absences including extended absence, cancel a class with notification email, and update last date and hours of attendance in your self-service gradebook. You can access the faculty attendance tracking solution by logging into Employee Self-Service from my.kettering.edu. Once logged into the Employee Self-Service, navigate to the menu launch icon, select Banner, Faculty and Advisors, then Faculty Attendance Tracking. You will be presented with a list of courses for which you are instructing for the current term. Select the Take Roll button located next to the course for which you wish to take attendance. For this example, I am selecting my Calculus 1 course. The screen will now refresh with the roster of students taking my course. In the first frame, you will see a picture of each student located next to their name. If you hover over the student's name, a small window will appear showing basic contact information for the student. If needed, the student's Kettering ID is also provided. As you progress in taking class attendance, the percentage of overall attendance will be tracked and displayed here. Additionally, the overall attendance hours and last date of attendance will display for each student in the self-service gradebook solution. Each header in this frame can be selected to provide sorting options. As a default, your class roster is sorted by students enrolled in your course, followed by any student who has withdrawn listed at the bottom of the roster. The roster is then sorted alphabetically by student's last and first name. When a student is selected, the frame on the right-hand side shows details regarding the student's attendance. The middle frame provides the data of each class. The arrows at the top of the section allow you to navigate through the class dates. Self-service attendance will take you by default to the most current class date. You can tell which date you are taking attendance for by the blue highlight. Self-service attendance provides a couple ways to quickly take class attendance. I will demonstrate the different options available to match your style of taking attendance. You can take attendance by selecting the empty circle for each student. If you select the circle once, it will show a green check mark indicating the student was present. If you select it again, it will show the student as absent. If the majority of your class is present, you have another option. You can quickly mark all students as present and then uncheck the students whom are absent. To do this, select the Update All button. The button drops down a list of 4 possible options. To update the students as present, select the Mark All Present. Once self-service updates all student records, a green confirmation message will appear indicating attendance information has been recorded. You will also see additional notifications as they apply to your roster. Select OK. Now return to the roster of students and toggle the students absent as appropriate. Self-service provides a third option, which is a combination of selecting the students present and then using the Update All feature to update the remaining unselected students as absent. If a student notifies you they will be absent, self-service attendance provides an area for you to check the absence was notified. You can provide a factual note regarding the student's absence. Self-service attendance also provides for an extended absence. Select the student's record and select the Extended Absence button. A new window entitled Extended Absence will open. Select the start date for the absence, followed by the end date. Lastly, insert your note regarding the absence, and save. You will now see the student's record has marked them absent with a note. Self-service attendance provides a couple more features located under the Class button. Cancel this class meeting will allow the instructor to send a generic message to all students registered in the class, indicating the class has been canceled for the date selected. You can tell the class date is selected by the blue highlight. The other three options are features that are good to use regularly. Selecting Update CRN Last Date of Attendance and Update CRN Total Hours will update your self-service gradebook, as well as banner administration tools. This is useful for grading midterms and final grades. For further assistance with faculty attendance tracking solution, please contact the Registrar Office. If you encounter technical difficulties accessing or using the faculty attendance tracking solution, please contact the Technology Help Desk.